Hello, hi everyone. So this is the method we use to make a kajal or a kohl or a kanmai. Kanmai is eye liner or eye kajal or whatever you say. So this is the method you can use to prepare a kajal, and this is a natural way of making it, and you can make it at your house. It's a DIY, do it yourself method. So this is the lamp or whatever the kind of lamp you can use. The best would be the copper lamp or a clay lamp. So with that, now today, since we have a terrace garden with a hongane soppu, ponnanganni keerai. So what we have done is I have mixed few ponnanganni keerai, hongane soppu with this castor oil and ghee, and I have heated a little bit, and I have used as a oil here and with a ghee in it. So this is what you can do, and you can light the lamp, and you can take 2 bowls or whatever, and then um, copper, this is a brass, this is a brass plate. You can also use a copper plate if you have. This is a brass plate which we are using, and you have to invert the brass plate or a vessel above this lamp, so in such a way all these residues which are as a black ash would form above this plate and would form a kajal. So if you want it to be so after that you can just separate these black area which you see here into a small bowl, and you can mix a ghee to it, and you can start applying to your eyes. The best method would be that you can apply it uh, maybe at night before you sleep, and then the next morning you can wash it off. So this is a very nice good method. So because it has castor oil and hongane soppu with it, so hongane is also called Alternanthera silcelis. So in that way, if you use hongane to your eyes, it would be very good for your eyes. It would give a healthy eyes, and if you have heat in your body, that would be reduced because of the castor oil and hongane. So start using this and let me know how you feel it. Thank you for watching.